dito? Host or host?
Guys, game na guys, game na. So yeah, maglalaro kami ng Call of Duty mga tropa. Yeah, kasama namin si CJ. Guys,
Bakit kasi puro pink sa sakyan?
Filipino to, okay? Filipino po muna kami, okay? Filipino po muna kami, game na. Game na.
Bro, just...
So everyone, this is
Ang
Mishan.
bala. Walking away.
Yo, hello everyone, this is Mishan.
Aksidente ka lang. I'm gonna hold your balls when I say this.
Guys,
Let's go. Wag na tayo sa downtown. May
You were the jump leader.
naka-DND ako. Do not disturb.
naka-decondiction.
Oh hell no!
Let's check how many inches this...
Yo!
Naka-decondiction. Naka-decondiction.
Sa ano tayo guys? Bus station tayo. Sa bus station tayo. Gitna yung bus station.
Sino kasi
Pero bus station.
Sino kasi nagpiling sa akin nito? Tiga mo, pinasabog yung bugs sa akin.
Ayun na lang tayo. Ay hindi ano ka. Defender.
Ayoko, tracker ako.
Hindi mag-defender ka. Kailangan natin ng defender para kapag low na tayo, magde-defender ka, pwede tayo mag-shield.
Hoy, making my way down.
Wow, ito mas maganda. Tiga mo. Ano?
Ay sige, na-vigilante.
Bakit napapasabugin ko, Vic?
Ang gawin mo pre, kapag may nakita kang vehicle, pag ano ka agad.
Magpasabog ka agad. Kahit pa snowboard gagamit.
Hindi.
I'm flying.
Alam ko lang kung bakit. Kasi, making away.
Guys, kanina nag-record kami.
Shot down.
Kaso lang nga, walang mic. Ngayon may mic.
See.
Ang tanong, may computer ba talaga kayo?
Please, pag may car lang ba pwede ka?
Yung.
Yan, pinili ko laptop.
Ayaw mo please eh.
Dude, mas pinili ko laptop sa PC.
Ayun na.
Ayaw mo please.
Hold mo.
Ano?
Sa player, gumagana sa player.
Sa player rin.
Gumagana sa... Gogi, ang upo pala niyan.
Boy, tingnan mo yung KRT ka ba? Lol.
Time for the
So
mission.
guys, meron ako.
Boy, ang ganda ng ano ko, wala na.
Meron akong slave. Eh, guys, yung editor natin, slave natin. Sino editor natin?
Ako slave.
Bigla ako dyan kasi. Sabi ko, nag-video.
Guys, magawa ko yung... Guys, magawa ko ako, guys.
Dormitory ka, dormitory.
Bus station.
We can land here.
Marami dyan eh. Wala, patay na.
Sa ano, aquarium.
Magdasal mo kayo guys.
Actually, fun fact yung sanitarium, it's a mall. Actually, piling ko hospital to.
Dude, mamamatay talaga tayo.
Kayo maingay kasi
Doon, mamamatay na kita, dude. Sabi ni Cyrus yun, hindi ako yun, ha?
kayo mag-ingay. Taking away dyan.
Dude, may Winchester ako. Uy, nakuha ko yung ay,
Who the fuck eh?
dude, wala ko yung pala
Who
sa
the fuck
PT.
eh?
Diyan ba kayo
Who the fuck eh? Who the
Ayaw
fuck
na
eh?
PT ba?
What the fuck eh?
First blood.
Who the fuck eh?
Guys, papansin si Cyrus.
Why?
Gusto mo may paki kami sa PP Bison mo, eh.
Gusto mo ba ng PT? You want my PT?
Dude, stop!
Guys, magkakit mo.
Stop, bro, stop!
You my PT?
Stop. Guys, please don't. Boy, madi-demonetize tayo, boy.
Sorry.
You're
Alam
gonna
mo
get
na.
demonetized.
Okay na, iba na lang pala. Never gonna give.
Mamamatay talaga kayo.
That's gymnastics.
It's my fault.
Never gonna give you up.
Wala tayong
Galit. Kaya nga tayo sa sanitarium kasi dito maganda mag-loot din kapag nakapag-loot ka. Okay ka na ganyan nakapag-loot ka. Maganda ka kasi kapag nakapag-loot.
Huwag na kayo maingay.
I mean nag-record tayo guys. Nag-record tayo.
Kaya kayo pinag-
Uy, may KN44. Akin na yan.
Uy, okay. Pre, binibigay ko sa'yo lahat ng
AK117 lang po. Trade po sa KN44.
Kailangan ko kayo
Guys, in this
Guys, bigay nyo sa akin kayo.
okay, punta ka sa akin, come on. Imamark ko na, nakamark na yung KN44.
Assault rifle here.
Hanapin mo na. Pag di mo nahanap, kasi O sige, ayaw mag-lag, bakla. Ay, puta, lag kayo.
Walking away, guys.
Ay, puta lahat tayo. Uy, pre, dito, pre.
Enemy is
May kotse
near.
dito, pre.
Enemy down.
Guys, do you
The safe zone is collapsing.
Hindi, LGBT. Guys, wait lang.
Tugod mga aso.
I'm buying you.
Wait lang, guys. Making away.
With your money, I'm gonna buy you.
Guys, how much for a slave?
If you want a slave, it's 55,000 billion. And if you clap one, it's 5 million. I don't care.
Never be a winner. Or else,
Guys, don't watch this if you're autism. If you're autism, I mean, if you're autism,
Carlos,
like that guy. He's an
Guys,
autism.
if you're an autistic, don't watch this. But if you're not an autistic, don't watch this. Sorry, this is my car.
Guys, if we lag, we're all ugly. Oh shit, naglalag ako. Sino nagdadrive?
What the fuck?
Guys, Optimum Prime. Oh shit, Optimum Prime.
Come on.
Oh, that sounds good, right?
Dalawa lang ako, man. Sa truck tayo. Sa truck lang tayo. Uy, wait lang kami. Hindi mo kami.
Ako na magdadrive.
Oh, sige.
Kasi babangga tayo na.
Ako? What do you mean? I'm a great driver, you know? Seryoso ako, boy. Guys, dapa lang tayo dito, guys. Guys, nakadapa lang ako dito.
Iklap mo yan.
Yo! Actually, let's emote. Magbabali ako, guys. Magbabali tayo. 3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, wala ka din.
Time for a fire sale.
Ay, buksan mo natin yung launcher mo. Wag mo muna. Kasi
Reloading.
Sakay. Takbo.
The airdrop is coming.
Ay, stop.
Hindi ko na maging 6, 7, o 16.
Wait, what?
Couple of
Wow! Ano, 58 na lang?
reloading. Down. I'm down.
Gawin mo ulit yun. Pupunitin ko tong dalawang mahiwagang Jolene mo.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Tangina mo, huwag ka gumalaw.
I love you, sir. There's a nurse saving me. There's a beautiful
Airdrop has been
girl.
delivered.
Tangina, wala na truck natin.
Guys, di na ba nagsira ng truck?
Papatayin ko kayo.
Ito, hindi ko na ito. Ilang percent?
0%.
Ano nga lang ito? Ang ina ni 25, bala kayo.
Ay!
Airdrop has been delivered.
Boy! Guys, hindi. Guys,
Ano trip natin sa buhay?
guys,
Matalo.
tinatry ba natin manalo, guys?
Guys, everybody, matalo.
Matalo!
Nobody knows.
Bro, it's your joke. What the fuck?
Joke. It's your joke.
Buti nga may
Yeah,
content pa
Airdrop
sa
is
joke
coming.
mo eh. Sa joke mo lang, hindi sa'yo.
Oh! Because your life is a joke. If we need the car, there's fuel there. You know why? It's making me shut up. Oh, it's that guy again. Guys,
Guys in the enemy.
Oh my god, guys, I'm only 20%.
guys, fucker.
Enemy down.
And I'm playing on
I steal
46.
your kill, idiot.
I'm playing on 46 FPS.
I'm the one who stole your shit.
I don't care.
Guys, fun fact, simula breakfast wala pa akong kain.
Riding in your dick.
So I'm gonna go mag-leaner ako mamaya.
Winner daw niya. Papalitin niya.
Hindi, lunch and dinner at the same time, leaner.
Nobody laughs.
This is abuse, bro.
You're the abuse. Come on.
Gusto niya na help? Deploy ko kay Line ko.
Guys in the enemy. Back, cover me.
Oh my god, 3 kills!
Enemy down.
Guys,
Ah!
Engaging enemies.
Guys.
Saan na kayo?
Now! Nabutan na yun yung gym yun.
Why did you scare me?
well, it's technically my kill because I'm the one because I saw it. Oh. The shotgun deals 150 damage.
Lalamon pa tuloy ako sa tubig para lang makapunta.
Driving in my car.
Yeah, guys, samahan niyo ako. Managay snowboard.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Guys, ang goal po namin for today's video is not to have fun. No, not to win. Cause our actual goal is no, not to lose. Not to have fun.
Get giddy or
No.
Yo, Julian, bilisan mo dito. Kailangan natin.
But to have back. Patingin. Nakik siya. Oh my god. Okay, now you can only watch. Guys, say RIP Jillion in chat.
I love you, Julian.
Jillion, you've been a great friend.
Oh, just...
Airdrop is coming.
Ouch!
Teammate has been killed. Get the
Ang
dog
init
tag.
ng cellphone niya.
Return to battle.
Dude, sasabi na ata yan, pre. No joke.
ano mo papasabugin ko na sa iyo.
Damn! Ganyan kayo init.
Reloading.
Dude,
Airdrop
may
has been
5-5
delivered.
jet.
Sige, sakay na kailangan natin dito, bilis. Bilis, sakay ka. Ikaw mag-drive, ako mag-drive.
Cover me.